Hey guys, and welcome back to the fourth episode in my self-care series for this week. Today I'm going to be doing a relaxing at-home spa facial. This is within my evening routine. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First off, I'm taking this cleansing balm by Eve Lom, and I'm going to be using this as my first step within my two-step cleansing routine to remove my makeup. For my second cleanse, I'm going to be using the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. Next up, I'm going to use my Amazon facial steamer, and I'm going to steam the face for 15 minutes. To rehydrate the face, I'm using the Heritage Store Rose Petals Rose Water. For an extra boost of hydration plus a treatment, I'm going to be using my UFO2 alongside the green tea smart mask. If you do want to know more about the UFO2 by Foreo or any of the smart masks, I have quite a few in-depth videos on how to use the device and what all of these smart masks do, so I will link those videos down below. For my under eyes, I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift Filler plus Hyaluronic Acid. And for lips, I'm going in with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Grapefruit. To finish off this spa facial routine, I'm going to be using the Lacura Healthy Glow Rose Oil teamed with my Rose Quartz Gua Sha. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my last self-care video tomorrow. Take care guys, bye!